Welcome to this month's Nature's Calling. I'm Lucas Bond with the Missouri Department of Conservation. Everywhere you look throughout the summer, you'll see these beautiful wildflowers. These wildflowers are native to Missouri. Once established, these plants typically required little maintenance. Native plants are a great option to plant in your yard or flower garden.
Some of the more popular wildflowers that people plant in their backyard are things like common milkweed, butterfly weed, purple coneflower, coreopsis. Not only do they add color to your landscaping, but they also attract wildlife.
Wildflowers provide a great food source for our native pollinators. They are a lot easier upkeep than other ornamental plants because they're adapted to our local conditions. So be sure when you're out and about this summer to take time and soak up the beautiful sights of Missouri's wildflowers. We encourage you to discover nature and try something new this summer that many Missourians love to do during the evening, and that's frogging. Frogging spans the gap between hunting and fishing. Missouri is home to two species that may legally be harvested: bullfrogs and green frogs. Frogs can be found in almost any place with water: farm ponds, rivers, and swampy areas. A bright flashlight and headlamp are essential tools for frogging. So is a bag with a drawstring to hold your fare. There is no other game animal that gives people a wide range of legal methods to take than frogging does. You can use your hands, a hand net, a gig, bow, or a pellet gun, to name a few. Frogging season runs through October 31st. Something many people around the state are seeing more of this summer in their backyards, roadways, and even on hiking trails are armadillos. Since the mid-1970s, the armadillo has made itself at home here in Missouri. Armadillo is Spanish for little armored one. The interesting critter weighs from 2 to 20 pounds, has short legs, big ears, and a ringed tail almost as long as its body.
Because armadillos are originally from Central and South America, they're used to warm climates, so in the summer, they're looking for all kinds of food like soft-bodied insects, earthworms, grubs, and so they have lots of time in the summer to find those nice juicy morsels.
Often, armadillos end up as roadkill. This is due to their habit of jumping up in the air when startled. This can be deadly when they are underneath a moving vehicle. Armadillos dine on a variety of insects. They can eat about 200 pounds of insects per year. They sometimes can be known as a nuisance animal due to damaging lawns and gardens. For more information on wildflowers, frogging, and armadillos, visit mdc.mo.gov. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature's calling. Get out and enjoy Missouri's outdoors.